When Krishna came, he did not come to re-establish Hindu religion or Christian religion or Muslim religion. No. Religion is religion. Gold is gold. You cannot say Hindu gold, Muslim gold, Christian gold. That is not possible. That is not possible. That is called Koitava dharma, cheating dharma. Gold is gold, pure gold. Therefore, Bhagavad says, Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means the order or the law given by God. That is all. This is the simple explanation. If you want to know what do we mean by dharma, then dharma means dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Just like law. Law means which is given, sanctioned by the governor. You cannot make your law at home. You cannot say the law given by the government or by the governor, I don't care for it. I shall make my own law. So that is not possible. That will never be accepted as law. You can make your law. Similarly, if you manufacture dharma without any reference to the authority, that is not dharma. That is cheating religion. Dharma projita koitava. So therefore the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, what he is speaking, mamekam saranam, that is dharma. All other things are cheating. And when Krishna says, mamekam saranam braja, he does not say to any particular community or any country or any nation. He speaks to everyone. Sarvajonishu kaunteya sambhavanti murtaya tasang mahajjani brahma ahanga bija padapita. He says, I am the seed-giving father of all forms of life. Krishna does not say that I am speaking to Indian or the Hindus. No. Krishna is speaking to everyone, to his every son. It doesn't matter whether he is white or black or blue, it doesn't matter. These are skin disease. Krishna says that we don't take this body as yours. Asmin dehe, dehinasmin jatha dehe, kaumanajum. This transformation of the body, that is natural. But within the body, the part and parcel of Krishna is there. That we have to understand. That's the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. We have to understand what is there within the body. That is the beginning of spiritual education. Unfortunately, the whole world is going on under the impression that I am this body. I am Indian, I am European. That is condemned in the Shastra. Jashatma buddhi punapi tridhatu sadhik kalatra disubhoma ijjadhi jatirtha buddhi salilena karihiti janeshu avijneshu saeva gokha. Go means cow and khara means ass. The jashatma buddhi punapi tridhatu. This bag of three dhatus, kapha, pitta, vaya, if one takes it, that I am this body, I am Indian, I am American. So Shastra says, he is not even human being.